Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. And I just wanted to show you guys another gift that I got in 2016. It was April 14th, my birthday, and one of my friends that is on Google Plus decided that they were going to sit there and send me a gift from Amazon from one of my wish lists. And I haven't gotten a chance to actually review, a lot of the stuff that I've gotten, I haven't gotten a chance to review. He is also one of my friends on Facebook. We've been friends for a while now, like 5 years, 6 years. His name is James. There are a lot of Jameses out there. But this came in, and this was a surprise. It came in with also, he had sent me a bed at the time. He had sent me a TV stand. Sadly, those two I had to leave behind because I was leaving my place. But this I kept because I could travel with it and take it with me and everywhere. And it is a Besame Cosmetics lipstick. It is red hot red, and I've always wanted these because I've seen my grandmother have one of these. So I always wanted one. And it comes in a velvet pouch. I think they're $32 on Amazon. I have no idea anymore. It's been so long. In the velvet pouch is a metal tube from Besame. Isn't that pretty? That is just absolutely gorgeous. And Besame Cosmetics still sells on Amazon. They have their own website, though. There's a lot of light in here, so I'm sorry if there's like a light kind of beam there. Apparently, I'm, getting my angel wings or something. But this is Besame Cosmetics, and maybe if I turn that down a bit. No, that's the backlight. You turn that off, it gets dark in here. But, yeah, that's what that looks like. And it's red hot red. As you can tell, I've been using it quite a bit because the label's off of it. Ooh, and I dropped it. Thank goodness it's metal, right? It didn't hurt it, okay, because it is metal. It has a plastic stopper on the inside. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does. And I've been using this a while. As you can tell, there's only that much product left. It is a lipstick, and it's like a lipstick lip stain, because the old-fashioned lipsticks that are made, you have to put it on and then blot your lips and it stays. When you blot your lips, it doesn't transfer, so be very sparingly when you use it. It does have like a cupcake smell to it. You really don't notice it when you put it on, and I have used, as you can tell from, I've used a lot of it, and I've been using it sparingly because I really don't want to use it up, since they are a little on the pricey side, a little bit, but they are all natural. They don't test on animals and stuff like that, so that's one of the reasons it's that way. But I wanted to show you guys another one of the products that came in from Amazon that was a gift to me. You've already seen the scarves. Here's the Besame. The snood. So here's the Besame Cosmetics that was sent to me. This was on my wish list, and sometimes I get in on my wish list from people, and I do absolutely 100% appreciate it when I do, more than you guys will ever know. But this is the red hot red, and even if you can't see the label, you can go up on Amazon. You can go on Besame Cosmetics as well and check it out. They do have a lot of stuff there. They have eyeliners and mascaras, a mascara thing that you can use them as an eyeliner. They have powders. They have foundation powders. They have all kinds of lipsticks. But this was the one that when I was about 16 years old, it's the same color that my grandmother had that she told me that would not look right on me. And yeah, you've seen it in a couple of my videos. And I'm just going to sit here. And I am not swiping. I am tapping. Tell me that isn't a beautiful color. You know, Lady Dark Sky is all about red. So when this came in, I was up for it 100%. Friends that do send it out to me, I do 100% appreciate it. It was something that I wasn't expecting on my birthday, and when it came in, it was just mind-blowing to me. Very mind-blowing. That time I didn't have anything. I barely had any makeup. The Hair Diva sent me some eyeshadows, which you guys saw me actually have an accident with one. So when this came in, I was completely shocked. I didn't have any lipsticks. I was going to go to the Dollar Tree and buy some, but thankfully, one of my friends sent me, one of the makeup that I absolutely adore. I do absolutely adore Besame Cosmetics. So if you guys have a chance and you really like reds, this is the place to go. They also have a light pink, not preferable to pink. I enjoy the reds. They have a dark red. They have a light red. They have a pink. They have the red hot red. They have a fuchsia. Believe me, they last a very, very long time. So get your hands on this. This is another gift. Thank you, James. I'm sorry this is so late. It's just been hectic. I really, really appreciate it. You've done a lot for me between getting me a bed and then getting me the TV stand. And you got me my first scarf. And then, this came in, and I do really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for sending this to me on my birthday. You have no idea how much it means. And with that said, guys, please be safe out there. It is a crazy world. Be good to each other, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.